Hi, this video is about to go over California Standard Test question number 41 to 50. You can watch my other videos. So let me start with the question number 41 here. Okay, so which expression below has the same value as x raised to 3? You can write that expression as a x times x times x. So that is answer will be C. 42, which expression is equivalent to a times a raised to 6 divided by 2a raised to 3. So what you can do here, you can divide, so 2 it will remain 4, and this one it will be a raised to 6 minus 3, so a raised to 3. So the final answer will be 4a raised to 3. Okay, and answer will be D. Question number 43. Let me scroll a little bit up here. Okay, which graph shows value y is equal to x? Okay, so y is equal to minus x raised to square. So here let's put some value here. So if I put the value of 0, it will be 0, so I'm not going to do that. Let's start with the 2. So if I put the 2 here, so 2 raised to 2, and that will be negative, so y will be 4. So when y here and this is x, so x will be 2. Okay, now let's see. So this is whole equation is x here. Let's put the another value, x is equal to 3 here. Okay, so 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 9, so y will be 9. So when the value of y is equal to 9, x will be 3. When value of 4, x is equal to 2. Okay, so if we look at this graph here, here let's look at the first one. When x is equal to a smaller value, y will be negative. So this is the okay, so I believe the x is equal to 2 here, y is equal to negative 4, right? Because there is a negative sign here. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 9. Okay, let's take another example. When x is equal to 4 raised to 2, y is equal to minus 16. So the first equation is wrong. Then if we look at the second here, I mean B here, that will be also not possible, because here for the lesser value of y, x is kind of double, so this is not the correct answer. C is the correct answer, because if you look at and if you put the value here, so for example, when I take x equal to 2 here, y is a negative 4, so let's say x equal to around 2 here, then if I draw the line here, then it will be 4, negative 4 here. So C will be the correct answer for this question. So question for 43 will be C. Let's look at the question number 44 here. Okay, so which base represent the graph y is equal to 2x minus 5? So equation is equal to y is equal to 2x minus 5. The way you find out is pick the sum of the value of x here. So I will start with the value of x equal to 1. So y will be, when I put the x is equal to 1, y will be how much? Minus 3, right? So y is equal to minus 3. So that's another point I can take. Now let's put x is equal to 3 here. So y, let's find out x is equal to 3 minus 5 y. So in that case y is equal to 1. Okay, so I have two data points here. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 3. So let's see which graph represent that. When x is equal to 1, so let's say I put x equal to 1, and y is equal to minus 3. So that's wrong because this y is equal to 6. So that is wrong. X is equal to 1. This I'm looking at this one. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 3. So that seems the correct answer. Answer will be C, because that may. Now to verify again, I put the x is equal to 3. So my x value is equal to 3 here at this point where the mouse is here, and y is equal to 1. So this is a definitely correct answer. 44 answer will be C. So whenever there is expression, you pick some of the data points here and then you put the put some value of x, find out y, and then locate on the graph. Okay, so that will be the answer. Let me erase my board here. Now let's look at the question number 45. What is the slope of the line? So slope of the line is, there is equation for that. So slope is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So in the first one, 2 and 1, right? So 2 is the x, y is equal to 1. So in 2, so we have two data points, 2 and 1. This is the x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to minus 2. That's what it shows here. So if we look at so this is our first point. Let me clean a little bit here. Okay, so here if I write the x1 and y1 is equal to 2 and 1, x2 and y2 is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. So now I have the value. So y1 is equal to 1 minus this minus 2. So minus 2 divided by x1 is equal to 2 minus x2 is equal to, this x2 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2. So this is equal to 3 divided by 4. Okay, so question to 55, answer to 45 is equal to B here. Okay. Let's take a look at the question number 46. Which statement is true about the slope of the line? On the line, slope will be always constant. So let's look at the slope of ratio. The slope is a ratio of x and y intercept. That's not true. The slope is the same between any 2 points. That is correct, because as I mentioned, you pick any point, and if you use the formula y1 minus y2 x1 minus x2, that will be just it will give you the same slope. Let's just read the other two lines that we know is wrong. The slope between A and B is greater than, that is wrong, and the slope between, okay, that is wrong as well. Slope will be always constant, as I said earlier. Okay, so let's write down the number. Now we are looking at question number 47. Answer to 46 will be B. What is the slope of the line? Same thing as we will use the same formula here. Here let's pick the 2 points. Now let's pick the first point A, and that A will be, I'm picking this one, the one that intercept on the y-axis. So that point will be x, point A will be 0 and 5. Okay, and the point B, that will be minus 7 and 0. Okay, so just to repeat, x is equal to 0, so x is 0, y is equal to 5. So I am picking this point as a, this point as a B here, and I just use this formula. So if I continue with my formula, y1 is equal to 5 minus 0 divided by x is equal to x1 is 0, this 0 minus 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, so question to answer to question number 47 will be C here. Okay, let me erase the board since it's full now again. Alright, so now question number 48. Bananas are on scale at the price of £3 for $1. Which graph shows the relationship between the number of pounds banana bought and the total cost? So if you look at this graph, $1 is showing on the y-axis, number of pounds showing on the x-axis. So if I put draw the line 1, it is coming almost to 3 here. If I line draw 2, it will come at the 6. So A looks correct. Let's just make sure. This is definitely wrong answer, because if I look 5 is going almost $5. This one is wrong as well. It's just too costly banana here. This is constant. That means that you buy any number of pound, you just put only $1. That is wrong. Okay, so question to answer to question number 48 is A. Let's look at number 49. What value of x makes the equation below true? So x divided by 9 plus 6 is equal to 8. So another way you can write x divided by 9 is equal to 8 minus 6. Okay, so now I can write x divided by 9 is equal to 2. So x has to be 18 to make this equation true. So answer x will be x is equal to 18. That is answer will be B. Question number 15. What is the solution set to inequality 6 times z plus 5 is less than 35? To make this true, this has to be more than 5. So 6 times 5 plus 5 is equal to 35. This has to be more than 5. So answer will be the A is wrong, B is wrong, answer will be C. So value of Z has to be, this one has to be more than 5 to make this inequality true. Okay, hopefully you learned from this video, and thanks for watching. Watch my other videos that I will go over question number 50 to all the way to the 80, and that will be another 3 more videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.